Okay.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is HIDAYATUL ADAWIYAH binti ZULKIFLE. My number matric is 1191696. Okay, so today we want to evaluate infographic that we had choose. Okay, in my part, the general view about the infographic. Basically, the topic of the poster that we choose is finding the future involving interaction design, which is related to what is interaction design part. This infographic is in horizontal, the background is grey and the text color is white. And then as we can see, in this poster, there are three big parts. First, inclusive accessibility. Second, interaction. And the third is graphical user interface. And each part, there are explanation and description of the topic. Okay, the main argument of this infographic is about to design a simplified example of a mobile operating system that can be accessed for all persons despite what their condition is. So that's all from me.
Okay. Thank you, Hidayat. So the next one is me. My name is Muhammad Syamir bin Abdul Jalil, and my metric number is 1192724. So for this infographic, I would like to talk about the general view about the user interface design. So the first one is the use of colors. So this infographic, they are using three type of code color. The first one is the white code color, which is as you can see inside this infographic, they are using white code color for the text. And the next one, the black code color. Black code color they are using for the animation. So as you can see inside this infographic, they are using at the animation, they are using two type of code color. The first one is black and the second one is white code color. So next one is the main code color. They are inside this infographic. They are using the gray code color for this infographic. And the next one is the use of text or font size. So this infographic, they are using Arial font text, and for the size of font, for the explanation is a little bit hard to read because it is a little bit small. So it's really hard to read for user. Then the next one is the arrangement of visual. So this infographic, they're using two type of arrangement of visual, which mean the first one is they are using text for the explanation, and the second one they are using animation for the example. So lastly, how it's display the text or the layout. So for this infographic, actually it is use classification for this to display the text. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Arifah BINTI Arif AFANDI, metric number 1191693. So now I'm going to talk about the general view about the content. First, this infographic doesn't have statistics. It just gives an overview of a topic based on the author research and thesis. Next, does this infographic provide reliable reference? Yes, it does provide reliable reference. The author put her name and the university name at the bottom left side. It shows that the only reference of this infographic is the author conference paper with the title Finding the Future that had been published in July 2015. Then, this infographic is quite hard to read, but it is easy to remember. As you can see, this infographic is divided into 4 sections with descriptive header. The upper side is about the title. The left side is about inclusive accessibility. The middle side is about the interaction and the right side is about graphical user interface. The infographic breaks into sections and each section let it concentrate on a specific message, and that way the viewer can understand the message in just a few seconds. Besides, there are too many text in this infographic. The font type is readable but the font size make it quite hard to read, and it looks like she just copy-paste the content onto her design. Infographic is supposed to take the useful information that can help the viewer to understand the topic easily. Everybody have a short attention span, so viewer can't really concentrate at the key point and they just put all together. Other than that, the graphics are well selected. Each of the section figures have the details that reinforce the story about each section. As you can see, the left section use picture that when viewer look at it, they will be like, this will be available for all person. Same goes to the middle side and the right side. Viewer will easily catch the information, and at the most case, they will only remember those pictures but not the point. There are less error in the infographic or no error at all. And for this infographic, we will rate 3 out of 5. That's all from me.
Okay, so lastly, for our comment and improvement of this infographic, in our opinion, the color of the poster background and the combination of the text color, which is white plus grey, is fine and a good combination. The information and the description provided also is in a simple explanation, and it is easily to understand, plus all the icon that the writer has put. And then for the improvement of this infographic, I think it will be better if the font of the description can be a little bit larger to make all the text can be easily read. And for the color, it is better to use a pro and contrast color for the text and the background, because as we can see, the combination of this infographic is distract the vision of reader. So that's all from us. Thank you.